Oops. Okay, just put it somewhere. Oh my gosh, guys. I got a squishy package today. And, ouch. And, yeah. So, all my stuff is over here. I'm a little disappointed in the packaging. Really disappointed, actually. So I guess these are my extras. 2 circular makeup sponges. Or I think they're just like things that you... I think this is what you're supposed... This was supposed to make their squishies with, and hopefully it's not, because then my squishies will be non-surprising. And this little fashion is really dirty. Really, really dirty. It's worn. His eyes are washed away. And his face keeps on plunging in. Because there's obviously a hole somewhere, and the chemical just doesn't want to come. Yeah, there is totally chemical in a hole. Okay, not such a good start, but this is the packaging. Maybe it's okay because normally some people just don't have packages. I'm just gonna dump it out. I'm not even looking at the bottom area right now. With a hair tie, newspaper with a hair tie. It's okay, it's okay. Alright, so let's pick the squishy. So it's in a black baggie. It looks like it was cut from like a trash bag, but okay. So let's open it. I was expecting a tab, but I think this is my orange slice because these other 2 are not as big. And my orange slice is and yes, this packaging did come in a mini box, and it had my address, and I didn't want it on there, so I just opened it before, threw it away because it's useless to me. It's a pumpkin plush, not what I ordered. A little bit disappointed in this because it's not a squishy, it's a plush. But okay, let's get the next thing. Okay, so I guess it's my chocolate chip cookie and just a Walmart bag, like tied in the bag, like a part of a Walmart bag, because this is the Walmart sign in America. Really fun to squishy packaging, and I see it's not so rising, and obviously this is my cookie, and it's highlighted in the front and not on the other side. It's a little bit dirty back here, right there, and oh no! It is ripped. That is totally... I am going to contact her. I hope one of my squishies is alive. It's unpackaged. It's not a good sign. And here's my cake slice. It is not blue at all. And on the back it's defected. Look. I'm gonna move my head. Do you see that defection? Oh. Do not go to kksquish.net. don't. Really, really disappointed. I paid $15 for this. Really, really disappointed. Because it's a spoof! Haha, gotcha. So, I hope you liked my fake spoof. And no, I don't have real squishies. So, I hope you liked my videos. Stay tuned for more. Bye!